Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through New Zealand US dollar. Will the price continue lower? So jumping on to the charts, we can see here we have the 4-hour and weekly profiles again, just kind of highlighting to you the price action of each week. And we can see here already that price has driven quite aggressively to the downside here for the Kiwi. Now, what was quite interesting was that price broke through this key area of interest. So we were talking about whether price could hold above this value area low recently, around about that 6,500 level. And you can see that price broke through it. And once price broke through it, we were talking about whether price would continue to the downside and maybe come and retest some key areas of interest. Now, price has come back down into this 6,424 area, or this kind of low volume printed area within the market, and we've had a strong rejection. So is the price going to continue lower here, or are we expecting a little bit more of a bounce? Now, the dollar has started to gain a little bit of strength, and we are heading into some inflationary data towards the end of the week. So it's one of those levels that we're going to need to watch with real interest, because if the dollar does continue to strengthen, that could drive this Kiwi dollar beyond this 6,424. Now, I think if we trade below this low volume area or recent low volume area, price could flush through this area quite aggressively. We could then see price drive a little bit lower. Now, we do have this untested point of control at 63.55, which is where price could come to if it was to break through those key lows through there. Alternatively, if the dollar begins to weaken again in line with the sort of technicals of that market at the moment, then we could start to see a little bit of a bounce from this level again. I do think that we are going to test it again, although we may start to see a little bit of upside. Now, the only way I'd really like the opportunity to get long on Kiwi dollar, sorry, that's meant to say Kiwi dollar, not Euro dollar, my bad, forgot to change that. But essentially what I've got here is the 15-minute and the daily, okay, so the daily profiles. So the 15-minute chart and daily profiles, we can see that price is forming an inside day, okay, so we're forming an inside day at this structure area here after finding some support. So usually what follows an inside day is a breakout day, okay, and in one or two ways. We either see a breakout of the high, okay, of the inside day, and price usually extends further, or we see price break the low, move to the downside, or in areas where we're at key support and resistance level, we can often see price break the low, come back within and trade within. Okay, now that's something that could potentially happen here for Kiwi dollar. Now, what I actually do like with this market, if I can just bring up a frame, is identifying the value area high and low. Now, this obviously hasn't completed yet. We still have a few hours to go before the market completes for the day. However, if the value area was to stay like this, and in the overnight session we were to see price break out to the downside, what I'd be looking for is further continuations down, as long as price can stay below that value area. If, however, price climbs back within the value area, that is something different. We're looking for that potential reversal to come back into the market. But the key for this market at the moment is this structure low down through here. And I think if price is going to break through and trade through this level, we're going to see some momentum pushing price to the downside. So price could definitely continue lower here for Kiwi dollar. Remember, that's not Euro dollar, this is Kiwi dollar. Forgot to change the sign there. But Kiwi dollar, there's a potential for it to continue lower. We're at a major support, so we have to be aware that we're at a major support. But I think that we could see price trade through this key 6,420 level. If we trade outside the value area, we retest and reject it, we could see some further downside. So keep an eye on Kiwi dollar. It could continue lower in the short term. Hope you enjoyed this video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.